Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I did say I would do a quick video on how I meal prep my food. As you guys can see here, I had my chicken breast already prepped. If you guys are interested in knowing how I fully do my meal prep, how I cook and how I marinate my chicken and cook my veggies, please leave a comment below. I would love to show you how. Here I'm simply putting one piece of chicken breast in each bowl, and here the chicken breast is already sectioned off. I cooked my veggies for about 2 minutes. I used the Bluebird brand, and this is the Mrs. Dash seasoning that I use. Here I'm just sectioning off my veggies, putting 1 spoon of veggies in each bowl. Like I said, I get the Bluebird brand. I usually get it from Walmart, BJ's, or Sam's. And these are the seasonings that I use. I use black pepper. I did make a mistake and get the canola oil Pam spray. The right one is actually olive oil. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.